In P block element 1, structure of carbon dioxide. Carbon dioxide molecular formula CO2. Carbon atomic number 6, electronic configuration 1s2, 2s2, 2p2. The number of valency electron in carbon equal to 4. Oxygen atomic number 8. Electronic configuration 1s2, 2s2, 2p4. The number of valence electron equal to 6. We have how many oxygen atom in carbon dioxide? 2 oxygen atom. Therefore, into 2 will give 12. 12 plus 4 equal to 16 valency electron, total number of valence electron in carbon dioxide. Or we can also calculate the total number of valence electron from the formula itself. Carbon dioxide containing 1 carbon plus 2 oxygen equal to 1 into valence electron carbon equal to 4 plus 2 into number of valence electron in oxygen equal to 6, that is equal to 4 plus 12 equal to 16. So, total number of valence electron equal to 16. Now, write the atom by writing the more electronegative element oxygen as terminal atom. Carbon, we have 2 oxygen, here 1 oxygen, there 1 oxygen. Draw a single bonds between atoms. Carbon, oxygen, single bond, carbon, oxygen, single bond. 2 bonds can be drawn as shown in the figure for carbon dioxide, which account for 4 electrons. 2 bond pair. A bond containing 2 electron, this bond also containing 2 electron. So, here 2, 4 electrons also called 2 bond pair. Our total number of valence electrons is 16. So, here 4 electrons occupy 2 bond. When you subtract from 16, you will get 12 electrons. Distribute the remaining 12 electron as 6 lone pair. 6 lone pairs. Starting from more electronegative atom oxygen. So, we have 6 lone pair electron. Pair means 2, 6 into 2 are 12 electron. That is 6 lone pairs starting from the most electronegative atom oxygen. 6 lone pair electrons are distributed to the 2 terminal oxygen atom, 3 each, to satisfy their acted. 2, 4, 6, 2, 4, 6. 6 plus 6, 12 electrons are over. Verify whether all the atoms have octet configuration. In this distribution, the center carbon has 2 pair sought for octet. So, around carbon atom we have 2 plus 2, 4 pair of 4 electron, that means 2 bond pair. There is a short of 2 pair 4 electron to get octet. Therefore, to satisfy the octet rule, 2 lone pairs from 1 oxygen, 2 lone pair from 1 oxygen, or 1 pair from each oxygen can move to form multiple bond, leading to the formation of 2 possible structure. How to write the structure of carbon dioxide? Now I am going to write the structure of carbon dioxide. To get octet, one lone pair is converted into one bond pair one lone pair is converted into one bond pair. So you will get one structure, oxygen, double bond carbon, double bond oxygen. Here one pair, another pair, here one lone pair, another lone pair. This is one structure of carbon dioxide. Each one lone pair from oxygen atom is converted into bond pair. Now carbon get octet structure 2 4 6 8, oxygen get octet structure 2 4 6 8, this oxygen also get octet structure 2 4 6 8. Come from the starting, from the structure, oxygen, single bond carbon, single bond oxygen, one lone pair, second lone pair, third lone pair, here one lone pair, another lone pair, third lone pair. By converting each lone pair from each oxygen atom, now we can convert two lone pair from one oxygen atom. This lone pair is converted into bond pair to get octet structure for carbon. This lone pair is converted into bond pair. Now you will get one structure, canonical structure. Oxygen, already it containing one bonding. Now two lone pair from this terminal oxygen atom is converted into bond pair, another one pair of electron. This is one canonical structure. Now first structure, this one is second structure. Starting from the first, oxygen, carbon, oxygen, one lone pair, second lone pair, third lone pair, lone pair, lone pair, lone pair, two lone pair from the right side terminal atom converted into bond pair. Oxygen, one lone pair, second lone pair, third lone pair. Now single bond carbon, triple bond oxygen, one lone pair. This is third canonical form. So this is the structure of carbon dioxide. Structure of carbon dioxide. Thank you.